Hi everybody, my name is Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright, so today's tutorial isn't being sponsored by anybody but Diyanu. You should check these guys out. I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel and also to their websites in the description for you to follow. Without much ado, let's go straight into the tutorial. So Control N, as usual, let's name it birthday flyer 1000 and then 100. And then the next thing we are going to do, you click here, click on solid color, type F9 D6 94. I know you're asking why I'm using this color. You get to understand that very soon. The next thing we're also going to do is we're going to bring our bar here. Okay, we are also going to change this color as well. We're going to bring our image. Let's use this one. Bring it here. Put it up. You pick your magic wand. Okay, you see magic wand. If you can't find it, just click here. Go for it over here. Then you click here. Then you right click it and then click on select inverse. Then you come and select this. Now as you can see, there are some dancing ants around her eyes. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to click around it, make sure that those things disappear. Also around her earring as well, around her clothes as well. Clothes as well, around her hands as well, around her hands as well. I think that's all. Okay, then we click on refine edge and we just push this forward a little bit. About one is good. Push the smooth forward a little bit. Push the contrast forward. Shift backwards. Now that's good. Click here and click on new layer with layer mask. And then you click on OK. You can delete this if you want. Make sure this is converted to a smart object. Put this and this in a folder and call them BG. BG stands for background. This one, put it in a folder or a group, call it image. Alright. Now you're going back to the background. Now you see I chose yellow because of her shirt. I can find yellow. I could also choose green if I want to, but I chose yellow. And because I don't want the yellow to be more pronounced, I just reduced the color a little bit. You see, just make it quite lighter. I could have hit here and then just clicked here, but I see it's so deep. So you just come somewhere here and then you pick your color. So that's what I just did. And then the black, we are not going to use pure black. We're going to use a color that's close. You see, this color is quite good. This color is quite good. And also I can see some black strokes around it. I don't need it, so I'll go back here. You see the black stroke, go here and then we click on this to make sure the black stroke is off. And now this looks good. Pick your image, click on your move tool, push it forward a little bit or backwards a little bit. Exactly. This looks good to me. This looks good to me. I don't know about you, but this looks good to me. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is bring about pull our happy birthday. Should I use this? Let's use this. Okay, increase the size a little bit. Click on the magic wand, click on the white area, click on what's it called, the mask. Double click here, click on invert. Now we have only the black. area, but you can see some stuffs in there. We don't even want it to be pure black, so we double click here, we go to color overlay, we click here, we come and pick on the color of her shirt. Yes, that's it. Pick it, convert it to smart object as well. Then you can now drag it. Let's increase the size. This is good. Okay. Let's just arrange it that way. Put this one here a little bit. Something like that. Let's type her name. Let's call her Jeanette. What else? Jeanette Ifa Asabia. I want us to use Franklin. Let's use Franklin Gothic Demicount. And then let's reduce this to 0. Okay. And then we can position it in the middle somewhere here. Okay. Great. What we are also going to do next is we are going to bring about some bars. I think I'll go for this. Let's put this one there. Okay. Let's reduce it. Pull it here. Control J to duplicate it. Hit here. Hit on flip vertical. Great. Now we can type here. Go for our text. I don't think I'm going to leave the text in the description for you, but then if you think I should do that, kindly leave a comment in the description, and I'll surely will be doing that from now onwards. But I think it's something that perhaps you'll be able to do, you see. Alright, so let's reduce this one as well. Put it in the middle. Perhaps just reduce it a little bit. Let's reduce it a little bit. No, let's reduce it a little bit. Okay. And then let's drag it up a little bit more. Alright. And what we are going to do is we're going to change the color of Genetifa. Okay. Which one is this? This one is the birthday. And this one, let's go from here to here. Let's call it B-Day Wish. Right? B-Day Wish. Great. Let's change this one to a color in her attire, right? This one is good. Any color red in her attire. And then perhaps you can even bring it down a little bit. So this is good. Bold, right? Let's just change that same color to that as well. Want to push it up and then drag it forward a little bit. Still sounds good to me. And then lastly, we are going to bring our social media handles. Let's group all these as well. Let's call it text. And social media handles. Where are you? Let's put this one here. Let's do it this way. Click on this, click on the white area, click on the mask, double click here, and then click on invert. See, then now you pick let's convert to the smart object. You pick this one, select this one, then Control J, hit this one again, select Instagram, right? People use Instagram a lot. Where is Instagram? This is Instagram. Control J again. Now you can delete this. Then let's pull this one up. Make sure Yeah. Oh, the line. Great, great. Now we can hold shift and then pull it that way. Double click here. Click on color overlay. Click here and then click on the, or you can even click on the birthday or something, right? Same color we want to pick. Then now we are going to just click here, click on copy layer style, click here, click on paste layer style, and then you just copied it and pasted it on the other layer without much stress. Reduce it that way. Pull it here, and then social why is it social media handle, right? Let's select it and let's select any linear cloth. Let's select this one, and then let's reduce the size drastically. Let's invert it and put it somewhere there. Come to think of it, let's go back here, click here, let's go back to this, and then also exactly, and then if possible reduce the size of these two. Good. Now some few finishing touches and then we are done. Social media, right. Let's align this. Just align this. And if possible, you could even put your website there as well. You never know. www.socialmedia.com. I mean, that's your social media. www.socialmedia.com. Right. Social media and let's put it here. Well, so ladies and gentlemen, this is as simple as ABCD. This is how you design this type of flyer. So thank you very much. God bless you all. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that anytime I release new videos you are going to be updated. Thank you very much, guys. Love you all. Peace out.